Hi guys, welcome this video. Video title is Outdoor Kitchen Design an outdoor kitchen with a roof provide a fantastic way to enjoy the outdoor while maximize functionally and comfort. Its extend your living space, open shaft from the elements and create a focal point and social gathering. Here, a detailed guest on design and invite and style outdoor kitchen with a roof. Define the purpose and layout. Before divide into material and appearing, consider how you will use the space while that this be a full fronting outdoor kitchen for property long main or a small area for grow and main interest. The purple has choose in layout and applications. Popular outdoor kitchen layout in Canada. U shape layout idea for a balanced workflow, cook and showing zone. Use shape layout provide maximize cut space and a more enclosed size look. Explore layout allow for the cabin workspace with set area in log guest including workflow zone, plan zone to a drink workfield, proper zone, nature, rethink and choice area. Look zone for gathering, wearing and other appear. Where you can layout complement idea choose to set. Choose the layout full design. The fool is one of the most fact elements in outdoor kitchen design. If property against sun, rain, and sound allow you to use the kitchen yard rule type of row bungalow as structure without full block the elements far most covered add a coping salt roof full product again whether other in cabin wood material panel roof material would create a warm rustic look and it's easy to customize other is request main interest material doubling and modern available in a vibrant of color and finish lights and vibrant make the kitchen more enjoyable of soft for look in the even lights embrace light over hard lights such as product lights or request call lights create a welcome atmosphere. Task light LED and under cable lights need cook and round area for available. Access light, solar light and lecturing area. The set area on walk away for add immersion. Add comfortable set and dining area. Set and dining area and enhance for an invite outdoor kitchen. Choose comfortable and warm furniture that can accommodate your guests without overcrowd the space. Functional furniture material double easy to cloth with power cloth panel and resisting. Set other dining table. A full dining set is idea if set allow for family metal or long gathering. Built in branch.